Welcome to PPG CON 2019, everyone. It is Friday night. You guys are the first ones here, so we have quite the line out the door. I appreciate everybody's patience while we work out some of the kinks and stuff. But who was here this time on Friday last year? Raise your hand. Wow. A lot of new blood out there. That is so awesome. And welcome back who came last year. We are so happy that everyone is here. We are going to be about twice as big from the number of attendees this year than last year, so we're excited about that. We have, thank you. So we've added a couple different things too that were here last year. Some things that for tomorrow we will have vendors here. We have about, I think, 7 or so in the hallway here. And we have exhibitors. We have actually one tonight here, Bossy Games. Give me a hand here. So make sure you check out the games as well. So without further ado, let me introduce myself. My name is Jose. I am the gamer-in-chief. With all the red shirts here, we decided that we wanted to bring Manitou Springs, Colorado Springs region, a wonderful board gaming convention that is for the people, that is definitely just focused on gaming and interaction and meeting new people and having a good time. So that's really our goal. Please let us know if you need anything. We do have concessions this year over there. There's a whole crew over there. So if you guys, I think you guys kind of know the drill. We're doing green tickets. You guys can buy green tickets. They're $1 per. Just come up to the concierge for that if you guys would like. Manitou Springs has a whole host of awesome restaurants. Everything is walking distance. So be sure to check them out when you really want to get some eat on. Oh yeah, you are able to bring food in and drinks if you'd like as well. This is just kind of more of a convenience, so you don't have to do it if you don't want to, because the weather is going to be a little iffy, I think, maybe today and tomorrow. But I would like to introduce Angela, who's standing on the stage. She is the media slayer. All the posts that you've seen, Facebook, social media, all that, she's done such a wonderful job doing that. We also have a whole bunch of people. We have got Yolanda, my sister, John, Michelle, let's see, over here. Oh, Johnson, I didn't see your red shirt. I didn't see your red shirt. Johnson over here. There it is. And we got Smiley. Everybody knows Smiley. Give it up for Smiley. If you guys have any questions, that's one thing I want to know. We do have flags. Please use them. They are also not just functional, but actually kind of funny. Some of them, if you read them, there's one that says like, "We are winning," or "I'm winning" with an arrow. So you can kind of brag when you're actually truly winning. So make sure you kind of grab that and share the fun on that. But if you have questions, ask him. He's the man with the top hat. Some logistics real quick. So restrooms are just outside the door here to the left. At about 11 o'clock, we will lock the front doors. We have the side doors over here that will be open, okay? We will be here until the last game ends. If that's 3 in the morning, okay. If it's 6 in the morning, that's okay too. It might go all night long. We kind of expected that last year, but we did, I think, shut down around 4:30 or 5. So we will reopen the doors, though, at 8 a.m., so if we were to close at 6, 2 hours later, we will reopen these doors at 8 o'clock for your gaming enjoyment. If you guys have any questions, please come see us. Anything else? Red shirts. Drawing. Oh yeah. Raffle tickets.
And the survey. Make sure they fill out the survey.
What? Yeah. Make sure you fill out the survey. If you fill that out, it kind of gives us an idea, like things that you'd like to see or where you're from, and it just helps us out. If you do turn it in, you get an extra bonus ticket for the raffle, which will take place at 9 o'clock. You must be present to win, so please be here around 9. Make sure you get at the back of your badge, you can tear it off and put it in here. And then tournament signups. We're going to have 3 tournaments tomorrow. The first one begins at 10 o'clock. And our schedule is actually, we should probably bring it in here. 10 a.m. Crokinole. All of the registration forms will be available starting at 8 o'clock in the morning. So if you want to make sure you're in that, make sure you come a little early and sign up. And then we have the Teach You at 1 o'clock. It's a card game. It's awesome. You don't have to have a partner, but you will be paired up with someone if you don't. And that's from 1 to 4. And then we have the Texas Hold'em tournament that Johnson is putting on. And that will be over here in the corner. You notice that this year we also have tabletops. Those are very, very cool. Anybody can use those. Please, just maybe be courteous and let other people try. Don't support it all weekend. I know I would like to try, but you know, just share the love. But they're awesome in there for your enjoyment. We've got cup holders over there, and it's just really fun experience. So, without further ado, I think we're ready. Next time, 9 o'clock. I'll try to keep these very short. This one is a little longer. But thanks again for everyone for coming, and we're so happy you're here. Game on!